Marks & Spencer Car Insurance Review, Usage Experience. Links to Marks & Spencer Car Insurance are in the description below. In this review, I'll cover its key features, coverage options, who it's best for, and whether it's worth considering. Marks & Spencer, or M&S, offers two levels of car insurance, Standard and Premier, both underwritten by Aviva, one of the UK's leading insurers. Standard cover includes uninsured driver protection, windscreen cover, a courtesy car during repairs, and a 5-year repair guarantee at approved garages. Premier goes further, offering enhanced personal accident cover, no claims discount protection as standard, and coverage for personal belongings up to £500. A major advantage of M&S car insurance is its customer-friendly approach. Unlike many providers, it includes misfueling cover and key replacement as standard on both plans, which can save drivers unexpected costs. The European cover extends up to 90 days, making it a solid choice for those who frequently drive abroad. Optional add-ons include breakdown cover, motor legal protection, and hire car cover, ensuring flexibility for different needs. In terms of pricing, M&S car insurance is positioned slightly above budget providers, but it offers strong value due to its high standard coverage levels and reliable claims process. The claims service operates 24/7. And since Aviva underwrites the policy, it benefits from a well-established support system. While some customers report higher renewal costs, the comprehensive nature of coverage and hassle-free claims handling make it a preferred choice for those prioritizing quality over the cheapest premium. M&S car insurance is best suited for drivers looking for a well-rounded policy with strong protection, minimal hidden fees, and added perks like misfueling and key cover. If you value trusted underwriting, solid customer service, and premium coverage without excessive add-ons, this is a competitive option. Check the links in the description for more details or to get a quote.